Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Arduino based indoor air quality CO2, carbon monoxide, temperature, and LPG gas monitor using IoT. So in this project, we are using an Arduino Uno R3, LM35 temperature sensor, MQ6 LPG gas sensor, MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor we are using. Those are all analog sensor and it is connected to the Arduino ADC pin A0, A1, A2. LPG gas and LPG gas and a GPRS modem, it is connected to the RX and TX. So relay coil, if carbon monoxide is high, so bulb will be on. So LPG gas detected, alarm is on. So LM35 temperature sensor depend upon the temperature the fan speed control using PWM technique. So here 16 cross 2 LCD display, it is connected with RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 5th pin, 4th pin, 6th pin. So A0, A1, A2 and RX and TX. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using one Android app. So the app user ID is IoT here, same IoT here, enter. So here we are using temperature sensor, MQ6 LPG gas sensor and MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor. So we can see the data, temperature, gas, MQ6 and MQ9. So if we are getting any alert, so go to alerts, Gmail alerts. So here, so we are getting the alerts and as well as we will get the SMS alert also. So temperature alert. So let us coming power supply module. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. Let's start with the power supply. GSM SIM 800 we are using. Bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. Arduino Uno R3, engine fan. So this is a PWM fan. So here LM35 temperature sensor, MQ6 gas sensor, MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor and SPDT relay, bulb, alarm. So temperature 30, MQ6 33, MQ9 12. So these are all air quality monitoring sensors. So detect the air quality and that should be sending to ADC. ADC will show you on the LCD display. Okay. So after every 10 counts, which is not exceed the set point, if temperature exceeds 60, so that fan engine also increase, the SMS alert, email alert will be sent. 200 above, the SMS alert, email alert. 200 above, SMS alert. If 200 above, alarm is on. 200 above, bulb is on. After 10 counts, it will send the data to web page. Okay, so whatever the parameter data, it will show you on the screen. Sent completed, action sent. Okay, see 30, 29, okay, 10. See full data. So you can see the full data onto the screen. So now we will exceed one by one. Okay, so now I will go for temperature sensor alert, SMS alert. Okay, so now I am taking one matchbox, also doop stick. So I'm going to increase the temperature. See, observe on LCD. Fan speed also increased. Okay, 60. Okay, 60 and above, sending data. So now I am giving external input to temperature sensors to get the alerts. Okay, sending data, maximum speed it is rotating, sent completed. So here we will get 61. Okay, so at the same time we will receive one SMS alert as well as email alert. Okay, so SMS alert, email alert came. Yeah, high temperature alert. At the same time we will SMS alert, SMS also we will receive. Okay, SMS alert, it will come by maybe sometime, it will come compulsory. Okay, so at the same time we will go for carbon LPG gas. Okay, LPG gas I am giving external input. Okay, alarm on. Okay, web page, sending data to web page. Okay, MQ2, here the data will come 225. Okay, yeah, 114 came. Okay, send completed. Yeah, sending data, web page. Okay, yeah, we are getting the high gas alert, high gas sensor alert, and SMS also came, high gas alert. Okay, so now we will go for the MQ9, carbon monoxide sensor. So we need to produce carbon monoxide. Same way I am going for lighter only, 212. Okay, same thing, we will get the alert here. 246, and okay, yeah, that bulb is also off, maybe some loose connection. Send completed. Okay, I need to change the bulb. Okay, yeah, bulb is on. So maybe this bulb is damaged, like that the bulb. Okay, bulb is on. So sending temperature, send completed. So every time you will receive the alerts. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.